We are Group 8. My name is Sunny. I'm Cece.
My name is Richard.
I'm Lomi.
I'm Ethan. We are doing the new product development of My Eyes.
Okay, let's enjoy our video. Thanks.
There is a group of people in the world who cannot see the colour of the flowers, cannot see what is happening outside, or even cross the road by themselves. Therefore, our product concept is to design a smart product which includes advanced technologies for the vision impaired as the target market. Our product will provide them with safety and convenience. Our video includes 4 sections. The first part is about opportunities and needs analysis. The second part is concept generation. The third part is the testing of the new product. And the last part is the recommendations based on the market research results. In 2017, there were about 7.6 billion people in the world. Of those, about 285 million were visually impaired, 39 million were blind, and 246 million had low vision, severe or moderate visual impairment. Studies show that most visually impaired people rely on walking sticks and guide dogs to help them walking outdoors. Some depend on other people's help. Based on the market research, nowadays there are only a few products that can help them walk outside by themselves, and ordinary walking sticks cannot ensure their safety outdoors. Our new product concept will have large market potential to catch the market opportunities and significantly impact the current market. Therefore, this new product is a radical innovation. And this is a market-driven product, which means the new product could assist the company to remove competitor constraints and create new customer and competitor. Our product includes advanced technologies, for example, Bluetooth, vibration, and built-in speaker to help the smart walking stick achieve product function. These are existing technologies that have not been used in this field.
After further research on the specific needs and problems of blind people, we also found that many of them were injured because they couldn't timely identify the obstacles ahead. Therefore, we have developed our new product concept. As is shown in the picture, this is a totally radical, innovative product to solve these difficulties and meet the urgent needs of the blind or visually impaired people. Benefit: our new innovative walking stick can bring 3 major benefits. It is a navigator to guide blind people to easily reach the destination alone, a safety protector to detect obstacles encountered on the road ahead, and it can also add to the social value by increasing people's well-being and reducing burden for the community. The first version product. Technology. First, a Bluetooth chip will be used to connect to smartphone navigation. Secondly, a speaker will be built in the handle of the product to provide audio feedback. Third, a small vibration motor will also be loaded into the handle to realise the vibration feedback to the user. It can alert the user by giving a strong vibration signal through the handle to help them avoid obstacles. There are some improvements on the technology aspect in the second version product. First, an ultrasound sensor will be added into the handle. This technology is normally used in mopping robot and car parking space recognition. The working mechanism of the ultrasound sensor is to measure the distance of the object by calculating the time from the emission to the recovery of the ultrasonic wave. Second, using new reflection paint on the cover of the stick, which effectively decreases the chances of an accident. We have developed 2 testable product concepts, priced at $298 and $398 respectively. Regarding the competitors of the new product concept, 53.6% of the respondents mentioned that normal walking sticks could be the main competitor. and 40.6% of respondents emphasised guide dogs. The result of this survey has shown that most of the respondents have limited concept of the competitors with the smart walking stick. Therefore, this smart walking stick can meet most of respondents' expectations, and they described My Eyes as a radical innovation product. However, when respondents were asked whether this smart walking stick had met their expectations, 41% of respondents mentioned that it can be improved in some ways before it is launched to the market. Mind map. The qualitative data has been calculated in this mind map, which has clearly shown the respondents' expectations in the further new product development, including waterproof feature, lighter material, and powerful battery. After-sales services to be added into the product are as follows. As shown in the following figure, 69.6% of respondents indicated that warranties should be added in after-sales service, and 56.5% of respondents wanted an instruction workshop. Intention-based market share. Through the data collected from the concept testing questionnaire and using past industry weightings, that 70% of definitely buy and 40% of probably buy, as well as assuming a 60% awareness in the first year, we conservatively calculate the purchase intention-based market share for both basic and modified versions in the first year, which are 23.89% and 25.5% respectively.
Based on the data analysis of respondents' insights above, 4 recommendations will be provided to further improve the new product concept. Recommendation 1. The MPD team should consider using lighter materials for reducing the weight of the My Eyes to make it easier to use and carry. For example, using plastic casing for the handle and carbon fibre for the retractable stick to achieve the lighter purpose. Recommendation 2. The MPD team should pay attention to the battery life of the smart walking stick, because about 51.5% of respondents showed that endurance of time is a very important attribute that should be guaranteed in order to greatly affect the user experience and intention to purpose. Recommendation 3. A considerable number of respondents indicated that waterproof performance is also a very useful feature that should be considered in this new product concept to ensure that users can utilise the My Eyes outdoors in rainy conditions. Recommendation 4. Some necessary after-sales services like product guarantee and instruction workshops should be provided to the user free of charge to enhance the intangible value of the new product, to positively enhance the user experience and customer loyalty on the brand.
In conclusion, we have basically done the first 3 phases of the MPD process on My Eyes and provided some useful recommendations for further improvement. Next, the MPD team should consider to develop the product based on these recommendations to ensure that the new product has enough market attractiveness and competitiveness to launch for further market testing.